Hi, my name is Andrew Eddy, and I've been using WordPress to build websites for the past 4 years. In this course, we're going to learn how to create 2 stunning and fully responsive websites that will wow anyone. Let's take a look at our first website. You'll notice that it starts with a very big and vibrant background image. And as we scroll down, we'll then be able to see the menu, which will stick to the very top and become transparent. We can add a lot of really cool stuff like a customer slider, testimonials, a team section, and even connect to our social media accounts. We'll also create a blog and put in some cool counters and status bars. Now, we'll also make a custom footer that includes a video and our contact information. We'll create 2 pages, a blog page and a contact page, and we're going to learn how to use plugins to put in a newsletter section and even put in an Instagram feed that displays our most recent Instagram posts. The second website we'll be creating is a really cool personal /resume/portfolio website. And this is going to be a place for us to showcase our skills and our experience similar to a resume. And if we select one of these such as skills, it'll scroll down to the skills section where we have a few things that we may excel at and we can put in different percentages. And I'm going to go ahead and refresh this and show you guys the cool transitions that happen. And you see that it counts up. We can also put in our experience and our education, similar to a resume. And we can also include portfolio items of some of our work. We can also include testimonials. And in this course, we're going to learn how to implement a plugin that allows us to display our recent tweets. The last thing we'll do with this website is create a contact page for potential employers, or people to reach out and contact us. If you want to learn how to create awesome and amazing WordPress websites, go ahead, click the blue button, and I'll see you on the other side.